Abandon for one day the idea to set your eyes on the most famous monuments of the town and bring with you binoculars and wear comfortable shoes. Now you're ready to enter the urban jungle and to look for small sculptures with zoomorphic shapes that are peeping at you from the walls of the houses, from small window balconies, and from the decoration of doors, arches, or columns. Walk with your eyes up and discover a full encyclopedia of real or imaginary animals, loved through centuries by people belonging to different and distant countries. In fact, most of the time, these sculptures were stolen by the Venetians from the territories of their conquests and brought to town to decorate their architectures. If you are smart, you may sight dragons, even burning among flames, griffins in strange attitudes, big animals haunting smaller ones, bats with almost human faces. I like to discover winged lions or just normal ones. I'm doing it every day as I walk to work or as I'm chatting with my clients. My sight is always moving and I can discover new ones every day. In Venice there are so many because the lion is the symbol of the city. It is the symbol of Saint Mark, our patron saint. Our lion is winged because he is holy and he is always carrying between his paws a book, the Gospel by Saint Mark, with inside the Latin words, "Peace to you, Mark, my evangelist," the words of an angel that predicted him the eternal rest in Venice, an excuse used by the Venetians to steal the body of the saint from Alexandria in Egypt. The lions can be unveiled in different positions. Andante, which means in profile, as if he's walking, or in moeca, which means represented with the wings in a fan shape around the head, like the claws of a crab. What amuses me and that I like to photograph are their expressions. Lions with sad eyes, with smiling faces, angry, staring. Lions that look like dogs, cats, or monkeys, because maybe artists never saw a lion in their lives and they worked a little bit with their imagination. So, where are your binoculars and your comfortable shoes? Ready to explore? Ready for the Experience Urban Safari with the team Guide Venice?